Hello guys, so in this video we will be hacking the Crocodile machine from HackTheBox Starting Point. And when you have spawned the machine, you can already answer the questions. And number one, what mmap scanning switch employs the use of default script during a scan is -sc. What service version is found to be running on port 21? Okay, so for that I already have here mmap. So for that I will use like this and basics script reconnaissance dash to all. I will export the findings to that file, all ports in the mmap directory, and then the IP address like this, and I will get you when it's done. Okay, so this has finished and we've got port 21 open on TCP and is running an FTP service, and its version is BSFTPD. And so that is the answer to the question. BSFTPD 3.0.3. Then what FTP code is returned to us for the anonymous FTP login allowance message is 230. And now we have to logging into that, so we will run our FTP service with it's just FTP and the IP address. Now here we need to write a name. It's anonymous login successful. Now you can type help to see the commands. I'll type dir. Now I will get both files. Maybe this works. No, it does not work. So get and then dot. Okay, so this we already got the files, and if we make ls, we've got right here, so we can cat that one and the other one too, dot pass difficulty, and we've got a set of password and a set of usernames. So now what command can we use to download the files we found on FTP server? That is get. What is one of the higher privilege sounding usernames in the list we retrieved? It is admin. It's right here. It's admin. Then what is the name of a handy website analysis plugin we can install in our browser? It's Webalizer. This what lets you do. It's basically if you go to a web server, it's this one right here. I already have it installed, and like you can see different technologies it's using. Like here you can see it's an Apache server running on Ubuntu and some other stuff. This is the web from this machine. Then what switch can we use with GoBuster to specify we are looking for specific file types? That is -x. And now we have to do a GoBuster a GoBuster to like this to our host, which is the machine. You can write it like this: GoBuster dir -w to indicate a word list. What I will use one that comes installed with dirp. If you do not have this file, you just have to install dirb, and then with -h I will indicate the host. No, sorry, it's with dash URL, sorry, like this. And now it's just looking for some domains in there, some folders. Actually, this is going to take a long time, so at the end I will indicate that x and then php and .js for JavaScript. Okay, so here is something interesting. It's /login.php. So let's go check it out, and we will go to -login.php. And as you can see, it's a login page. So I will clear this and see again the passwords and the user list. So the username is admin. So now we will just copy the passwords. Let's try with root. No. This one other right here. Let's see. Didn't work either. And let's see the last one. So we will type admin and the password, and it worked. As you can see, it gives us our flag right here. Well, this is just a normal dashboard. Then, what file have we found that can provide us a foothold on the target? It's login.php, and then you just have the root flag, which is this one right here. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one.